Good afternoon everybody. Today I'm going to apply strategies in solving addition and subtraction of fractions. I'm going to demonstrate these today using the same denominators. The target audience, or target students I guess, would be Year 5 students, and this comes under the fractions strand. So we're going to add fractions that have the same denominator. If you remember that the denominator is on the bottom of the fraction, and it reflects the whole object that you've been talking about. The numerator is on the top, and it reflects what part of the whole or part of the object that is being talked about. So what I'm going to do first is to write out the sentence. So 1/5 plus 2/5 is how many fifths? So first of all, what I'd like students to understand is we work on the denominator first. So clearly here we can see that there's a 5 and a 5, and they're the same, so we don't need to alter these, and so we'll make this a 5. Then all we need to do is add the numerators together. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3/5. Some students will grasp this quite easily, in which case this step potentially is unnecessary. When you are starting out with this, or when I'm starting out with this, I would ideally like students to keep it in just so that I can see their process of thought, especially as it gets more challenging. Once they've been doing this for a little while, for them to write 3/5, obviously that's fine. Let's try another one. I have 6/10 plus 3/10. So in working this one out, we go through the same process. Denominator is 10, denominator is 10. They are the same, in which case our answer is going to have a denominator of 10. Then we add the numerators. 6 plus 3. Again, this is the optional step of writing out the sum. 9/10. There's a couple of reasons that you write this extra step in. It shows them where it gets them ready for those challenging situations that will come along, especially with algebra and mixed fractions, where they'll have to actually change denominators. It gets them prepared to justify their answers as well. Now we've done addition of same denominator fractions. This time I'm going to show you what if we subtract. So I'd like to use the same one we've just used, but make it a subtraction. 6/10 take away or minus 3/10 is okay. So again, regardless of addition or subtraction, the denominator is tenths. It is the same. The denominator in our answer is the same. 6 less 3, 6 less 3 is 3/10. What if we were to say 3/4 minus 2/4 as a sentence? We have denominator, denominator as quarters. 3 minus 2 is 1/4 left over. If you were to do this activity, you could possibly use a whiteboard, and you could, I'm going to use the demonstration using addition because I don't have a whiteboard with me, but if you were to do sixths, so excuse my sixth. So there's 6. So we have 2/6. I'll write this up. 2/6 plus 3/6 equals. So what you could have students then do on the whiteboard, up to double check this, is they could colour. So I've got 2/6 here plus 3/6. So I need to do 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 3, 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so this is a good way for them to visualize fractions. It's a good way for them to visualize if they're diagrammatic, and it's also good for them to see why, using the colors, that it's set out this way. Thank you.